EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martins here with your outlook for November 27th, 2020. Hope everybody had a fantastic Thanksgiving holiday yesterday. We are now back online as resuming normal schedule with the videos and the daily forecasts. We had a cold front that moved through yesterday, and that was very early in the morning, so that's when the rain ended. That is now well offshore. There's a secondary front that's sitting back here too that's going to be coming through today. It's a much weaker secondary front, but this is going to have a little bit cooler air behind it. Not a lot, but a little bit cooler than what we're going to be dealing with today and what we dealt with yesterday. Yesterday was very mild. Today's going to be very mild as well. Upper 50s and near 60 degrees before this front moves through. And when this front moves through today, just being a weaker front, we're just expecting an increase in clouds, and that's it. We're not expecting precipitation with it. So we'll start off partly cloudy, then I'll call it mostly cloudy this afternoon and early evening before this secondary front moves through. And once it does, then we'll go back to mostly clear skies overnight. Partly and mostly cloudy skies here on Saturday and Sunday. We're looking at, partly and mostly sunny skies here on Saturday, and then Sunday is a mostly sunny day with temperatures both days in the lower 50s. So nice weekend coming up here after we were warm for a couple days. We're going to take a slight step back in temperatures. Again, lower 50s both days of the weekend, but partly to mostly sunny Saturday, mostly sunny Sunday. Now, here is the next system coming in here. This is going to be a rather impactful system. And there was some speculation this could have a wintry side to it when we were talking about this a couple days ago, but it does look like it's going to stay far enough west and cut far enough west of our region to be on the warmer side of this low pressure. So here's a low pressure center moving over West Virginia. So when you have that low pressure center in that direction here, or the wind direction around this low pressure is like this, so it's coming in from a direction that is not the colder side of this low, as is the case on the back side of this low where it is expected to be snow. So areas in the Ohio Valley here will have some snow and accumulating snow that'll go right up into Michigan over the next into early next week, early to middle part of next week. But we'll just be dealing with rain here on Monday as this moves through, and there could be some heavy rain involved with that, and you can see that here moving through our region. And this is looking at Monday afternoon and Monday evening. I do think it's going to wrap up during the evening, but we'll have periods of rain and some heavy rain possible. And then when the actual squall line with the actual front moves through, we're going to see the winds pick up as well. So here's a look at that total precipitation projections from the European model. And we're generally north of an inch in many areas. So inch and a half type stuff of rainfall, because it's fairly quick moving. So it's not like it's going to be lasting for a very long time. But you could get over an inch in many areas. And here's the wind as we get this front moving through. You see it increasing during the late morning hours. And then here's the squall line moving through. This will be European model has this on Monday around noon or thereabout, or maybe just before. But you see this some stronger wind gusts with the actual front moving through, and then that quickly moves away. So this is a very short period of time when that moves through, and you have wind gusts at 35 to 45 miles per hour, maybe some isolated higher to that when it moves through, and then we're going to have some cold air advection, breezy conditions that are going to continue into Monday evening. So that's the deal with Monday. I think we're going to have this narrow down over the next couple of days here once we get more information with this system, but it does look like we're going to be have an impactful system here on Monday with rain and some wind, but no precipitation is going to be frozen, it looks like, and that's going to be stuck here. Looking at the precipitation type maps, as this cuts to our west here, we're all rain here, and then again parts of the Ohio Valley will see some snow out of this. But then the system pulls away here on Monday night, but they're going to have some wraparound precipitation come through on parts of Tuesday. We did leave an isolated rain or snow shower in the forecast here for at least our northern and central regions here on Tuesday. So that is a possibility here with this wraparound precipitation, but don't expect too much from that as far as accumulation is concerned. And that goes into Tuesday evening before that ends, and then we go back to mostly sunny skies both Wednesday and Thursday. We'll have another system we'll have to deal with, it looks like, toward the end of next week. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martins. That is your outlook for November 27th, 2020. Have a great Friday.